Hey everyone, this is Stefan from groovyPost.com, and in this video I'll show you how to protect a Microsoft Office Excel 2016 document with a password. Now we'll go inside the document first, then we can navigate to the File menu and find the Protect Workbook option, which is right underneath your document title and location. And from here we've got three different options. The first one protects the entire document with a password, the second one protects just the current sheet, and the last one can protect the workbook structure. Now the first one is relatively self-explanatory, and we've already shown you this in our Word 2016 encryption video. So I'm going to cancel right out of that, but I'll show you the Excel specific options. So protecting the current sheet. If we click on that one, we get a nice window with lots of different options, and in here you can add ticks to select what users can actually still edit in your document without the password. So for instance, you may want to still enable pivot table and pivot chart and also auto filter and a bunch of other options. So something basic like selecting locked and unlocked cells. So now I'm going to add a password to this sheet, and of course I'll have to enter it again just to confirm. And now this sheet is password protected, and if I try to change it, it's not going to let me, and I'll need to unlock it from the File menu. And the other option which we have here is protecting the workbook structure. Again, you can protect the structure and the windows of your workbook if you have any, and also optionally you can add a password for this. I'm just going to do this now one more time, and again to confirm, and now I've protected the structure of my workbook. So that's essentially all the encryption options in Excel 2016. We hope you found this video useful, and check out groovyPost videos for more just like this.